In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage sources with Source Manager and copy them between documents. If you work with citations in Word, the Source Manager is the control center that keeps everything organized and consistent across your projects. Start by opening your document and heading to the References tab. There, click Manage Sources. This opens the Source Manager window where you'll see two panels that matter a lot. On the left is the master list, which stores all the sources you've created on your computer, making them available to any document you open. On the right is the current list, which shows only the sources that are attached to the document you're working on right now. Think of the master list as your personal library and the current list as the shortlist for this specific file. If you need to add a new source, click New. A form will appear where you can enter the details, such as the author, title, year, and other fields relevant to the source type. Fill in as much accurate information as you can. Complete entries give you better, cleaner citations later. When you're done, click OK. Your new source will be saved to the master list, and if you created it while working in this document, it will appear in the current list as well. To copy a source to another document, remember this simple flow. The master list is universal, and the current list is document-specific. With the destination document open, find the source you want in the master list, select it, and click Copy to move it into the current list. That action makes the source available in the current document so you can cite it without retyping anything. This is especially helpful when you reuse research across multiple reports or chapters. If you want to remove a source from the document you're in, select it in the current list and click Delete. This takes it out of the documents list but does not remove it from the master list, so you can still bring it back later or use it in other files. It's a safe way to tidy up a document's sources when something is no longer needed. When you're finished organizing, click Close to save your changes and return to your document. A quick recap. Use Manage Sources on the References tab. Review the master list versus the current list. Add with new, copy from master to current to reuse sources, delete from the current list to clean up, and close to confirm everything. That's all you need to confidently manage sources and keep your documents consistent.